Hey guys, so today I'll be making some Guyanese Bora with some chicken foot and pork. So here's my ingredients. First I'm going to put some garlic sauce, green seasoning, black pepper, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken cubes, mustard hot sauce, and you're going to give it a mix and let it marinate for about half an hour. So now I have a pot with oil, so you're going to pour your chicken foot inside and let it fry for a few minutes. You got to keep on constantly stirring it. So now we're going to put in my onion, garlic, shallot, celery, and fine leaf thyme and give it a mix. I'm going to put in my tomato paste, tomatoes, seasoned pork. I already pressured the pork and seasoned it off camera. So now I'm going to put in my Bora, carrots, and Irish potatoes. More chicken cubes. Give it a stir. So now we're going to pour in my coconut milk. And you're going to let this boil for a few minutes until it finishes cooked. And here you have it, guys. My Guyanese Bora with chicken foot and pork. And I want to ask you guys to please check out my YouTube channel. Link in my bio. So now I'm going to try my delicious Bora and chicken foot and pork. Guys, it was so delicious. You guys really need to try this recipe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.